my loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do another makeup vlog. So the boyfriend and I decided to go out for a date, and I'm hoping he's gonna have something extra special for me tonight because I am going extra glam. And since I found this dress, like it's been a really long time since I worn this dress, and I told myself like, okay, today's the day that I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna incorporate a maroon makeup tutorial for all of you guys today. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna list all of the products that I use on my face, on my skin, on my eyes. Every details of it is gonna go on the info box, but as you guys know and you can see the steps, that I am actually making a smoky maroon eyes, and I'm just finishing off my eyes with a smoky look eventually. So I recently bought this BH Cosmetics colorful makeup palette. I don't have the name right now with me while I'm recording this audio, but I'm gonna list them too. And as you guys know, like it's a really beautiful shade. Like it has all range of colors from blue to yellow to orange to maroon to pink to just anything, guys. It's just there. So in today's makeup tutorial, I'm using this eyeshadow palette on my eyes today. So on the under eyes, guys, I'm just gonna go a bit extra, and I'm gonna apply this purple shade under my eyes. I've been watching this show on Netflix called Glow Up, and I'm so inspired after seeing everybody is just doing so much of colorful, pop, lively kind of makeup. And in today's video, I'm gonna do the same thing on my eyes. Obviously, it's not as beautiful as how they have created the look, but I'm just gonna do what really suits me according to my nature and according to my liking. And I really like how this color has turned out to be in my eyes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and extend the color a little bit more because they are not really dark enough for me. And once I'm done with it, I am gonna apply the darker shade of the purple shade that I've applied, and I'm just using the fluffier brush because I just want them to be like all over my under eyes, and I'll wipe out any kind of falls that's around my eyes. I'm just working my way on the under eyes, guys, so this is gonna take a long time because I always believe that when we take an extra time to perfect the eye shades or the blending, it really brings out a very beautiful transition, which I really like. So I'm just pulling out the purple shade all the way like a wing liner, and I'm just wiping out whatever fallouts that will be on the eyes a later part of this video. And I'm just taking this shimmer shade from the MAC Burgundy this MAC Burgundy palette, and I'm just applying on the middle of my eyes just to bring out the pop and life towards the look of how my eyes is. And I'm taking my eyeliner pencil and just waterlining both the upper and the lower lash line. So recently I've bought the Yves Rocher Jumbo Botanical Eyeliner Pencil in this green shimmer color shade, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm using this as my eyeliner on the lower lash line, just above the purple shade that I created. And I really love, guys. I guess this is not really clear on camera, but if you were to see me like up front really close, it has a two-tone shade like the purple and the green shade together, which is absolutely amazing. I really love how the way it turned out to look like. I'm using the high coverage foundation cream from Yves Rocher too, and guys, I'm not kidding you, this foundation smells like perfume. Like it's so good that I think I'm really just gonna smell so good on my face right now. That's how amazing this is, and it really complements on the skin too. It exactly follows my skin shade, which I really like. I really thought while purchasing it, there wasn't any sample, so I had to just take a wild guess to just pick this up, and I'm so glad I picked it up because it's exactly as my skin color, my skin shade. So I'm just quickly applying the foundation all over my face. It's time to hide the bags, guys. So as usual, I'm taking the MAC concealer and I'm concealing my under eyes, and I'm taking a little extra today because I want this to stay through the night. So I'm just applying on the areas that I really need good coverage. Finally, to set it all in, I'm using the Essence Cosmetics banana powder, and I'm just applying it on my under eyes, and I let them to bake and sit there for a while before I would even wipe them off from my face. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Fashion Brow. As you guys know, I always like to use this and the Goof Pro Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. That always takes time to pronounce, guys, so please just get ready, just get used to it with me. So once I'm done with that, I'm just bronzing my face, and I'm using the Tarte clay what is it called again? It's a bronzer, yeah, but this bronzer wasn't really doing a great job for me, I think, at this point. So I switched it up with the Bahama Mama bronzer, and I like the way how it looks right now. So I'm using the Zoeva Coral Spectrum blusher, and I'm just blushing them on the apples of my cheek. Recently I've been using them a lot, and I really love this blusher very much. This is like my new favorite at the moment. So I'm giving myself a highlight, guys, and for this makeup look, I just went in with this shade that has a two-tone color. One is like silverish, purplish tone, which is really beautiful. I'm just gonna let it look like this for the whole night, and I'm applying my lipstick on top of it, and I'm very quickly, as always, gonna use the lip oil also from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna put them on the middle of my lips so they will not dry out. And then I realized, like, okay, let's just do the entire lips, so I did the whole thing. So this is the end result of the entire makeup that I've applied on my face. I hope it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!